What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Kels, and we back with another video. I'm here with this less than desirable person, this beautiful man, and I'm gonna give y'all this little update on the S10. So, as y'all remember, the boosted Panda Coupe, the one that had the wreck, him. Well, that's his truck, and he has been killing the streets with it. Not gonna lie to y'all, thing moves. So, I've been doing a little updating and hiding stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna just reveal the S10 to y'all. So before we get started, here's his I'm gonna show y'all his motor. It's going real good here. Where you running to? He's running. Anyway, he's running real good. But let me present to y'all the Mac 10. Here it is in all its glory. A lot of changes have been made to this truck. It's not what y'all saw when I left it off. This is what I'm running. This is what it looks like. He was doing something to the turbo kit for me. He built me a custom one. And he has already cut himself open on this. Yeah, we did a little stuff to the paint. We'll worry about that later. But this is the new, this is it. This is what it looks like. This is where we're at with it. It's finishing up this side. New hood. It's a bubble hood. It clears. We went fuel tech, putting that in. This is what the inside looks like. Still, I need to remove that. Those are my CO2 bottles, which I'm not gonna keep those there anymore. We got that. I gotta put all this stuff back in. This is what the front looks like. And then, like I said, it's coming back through the firewall. I mean the cab wall. I don't know if y'all can tell. Came out. No drive shaft. It's got a transmission in it though. I just don't have the drive shaft right now. Move my radiator down here, the water pump. I'm gonna put my catch can right here. And the battery is over there, which I got some more stuff. The battery over there, and we're gonna put it back here, along with my ice tank. And we got this wing I put on it, I found it online. Which everything fits up perfect, because there's a grill, bumper, the other door right here. And this bed cover is gonna go, and I'm gonna get one like his up there. I get him to build me one. He custom built his, so that's what we're gonna do. And as far as the motor, we'll just say it's a LS. Not gonna say what, it's a LS. Valve cover's coming off, and we're gonna go with the stocks. But here is the I forgot what it's called, water log, whatever it's called. It's where the water goes into the motor and goes back. Got a big pump to push it. Also, this is coming off. I got long travel to go on. We gotta put that on. Did the setup, like shit, it's been sitting for a minute. The dirt our nest was right there, but did the setup, did the sandwich intake, because I didn't have room for the intake up front. I got new headlights to go on it. All this stuff is different, which here is my long travel right here. I got everything for it. Nicky Bobby, which, let me give y'all an idea. Long travel, it's gonna look like his. Quit running. Y'all should see how fast he running, but my long travel is gonna look like his. Sitting up real pretty. And he just getting his, I think he got a V6. I don't know. It's air conditioning hanging right there. His V6 is getting ready, so I don't pay that no mind right there. That's all an illusion. It's just a picture. But I like the way he did his, because his turbos are bed mounted, and it's pretty cool, but way past my budget. But back to over here. I've got new wheels to go on the rear as well. Those are coming off. All this is getting painted. I'm not really worried about it. This is what was kind of under the other paint. I just kind of sprayed over it, just messing around because I was bored, but the body work they had on it was shitty, and it is what it is. But like I say, move these down for y'all, and I'll throw this hood on. Here it is with the hood on. Show y'all everything clears. I don't know if y'all can see up under there, but everything clears and it's cool. Let me see if I can get my hand up here. Yeah, I got that much space. It all works out. I like it, but that's what it looks like. And of course, we're gonna put the grill and everything. Everything fits in there flush. Grill sticks out that much. So if y'all want some work done, y'all just get with me and I can get with him. And maybe he can do something for you. I don't know. Depends on if he want to make money. I want to flip this camera around, but he'll cry baby, so I ain't gonna do it to him. Cry baby. So there you have it, guys. That was just a little short update on what's going on and where everything is with the S10. Just wanted y'all to see. Oh, what is it? I just wanted y'all to see it and all. But I gotta head home and I got a few things I got to do. Like I said, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Sprinkle a little love, like I used to like to say. And y'all just stay tuned. I'm about to start bringing y'all some more content.